Welcome back into the workshop, and this is going to be a super quick one because there's a bit of dust in the air because I couldn't cobble together a vacuum extraction for my sander. But can I make a comment? Wow! It was actually a pleasure, other than the dust, to actually sand all of these components grouped together like they are in three piles, but the sheer fact that they were all of a incredibly good, consistent height enabled me to use the sander to finish them off, to polish them. Or, it's virtually as smooth. In fact, in some cases, it feels as smooth as it would be the actual surface of a piece of custom wood. If you know how smooth that can be, just the custom itself, not the melamine, but it can get very, very smooth. Well, I've sanded the edges, which are notoriously hard to get right, but man, it's glass smooth. In no small part, probably, to the sander and the Cubitron, the 3M Cubitron pads. But wow. And all the time that I've done custom wood work, and you're trying to get the edge as smooth and as sealed as possible from the sanding so that you can paint it or do whatever you want to do, or leave it raw like I am, I'm just thinking, crikey, I am very, very impressed. Never got it that good, that easy, that fast. So, yeah. I do put it a lot down to the fact that all of them are of a consistent height, so it allows you to sand and not have to grind off, bits of the edge to get it all consistent. But no, it just went across, sanded it as if it was just one flat sheet, which of course it's not. But now it's so smooth, and as I said, easy and fast. Yeah. Where has it been all my life? This combo is impressing me more and more. To be fair, it may be that what other people are experiencing as well when they use their tools, or they've got good quality tools. And I keep on thinking of all those nice bench, table saws, bench saw, cabinet saws, whatever you want to call it, that give really nice finish straight away. Well, yeah, I'm a little bit envious now, but the track saw, router, parallel arm, MFT top, parallel arm, and then the sander itself, I know why people get quite enthused about their work in the workshop when you can do things as easy as that. So, yeah, I told you it was going to be a quick one. This was just be, like almost a short, isn't it? But yeah, very happy, except for the dust, which I did actually have a connection for that. I cobbled one together ages ago, and you think I can find it? Well, I'm going to have to make one or get one or see whether there's something for it, because it really needs it. Okay, that's it. Very positive. Going in for a cuppa. Rightio. See you later now. Bye.